Math 7 students, it is time once again to do a very exciting review of an operation with fractions. Today we're going to review how to divide fractions. Okay, we already did multiplying fractions, which is really easy, where you just multiply the tops and you multiply the bottoms straight across. Division is similar, but there's one step to take in between that multiplication. Okay, so let's say I have 2/3, and I want to divide that by the fraction 4/7. Okay, so I've got a volunteer to share with me. Speak loudly. What do you do? Invert and multiply, he said. Invert and multiply. Okay, there's two phrases that mean the same thing, and you might hear both of them. Invert and multiply, or multiply by the reciprocal. Did I misspell something? Oh, look at that. There we go. Okay, invert and multiply, or multiply by the reciprocal. You might hear both of those phrases. They mean the same thing. Here's the most important thing, is you have to invert or take the reciprocal of the second fraction. You've got to take the second fraction here and invert that. It becomes a new problem. So if I'm going to invert and multiply, I keep my first fraction the same, and I multiply then by the reciprocal, or I flip, or I invert the second fraction. So now I have 2 times 7, 3 times 4. Okay, what's 2 times 7?
14.
14. And what is 3 times 4?
12.
12. Excellent. Okay. So there is our fraction in an improper, not reduced form. So the key to this, dividing by fractions, invert and multiply, or multiply by the reciprocal. They mean the same. Take the second fraction and take the reciprocal of it, or invert it, and then multiply straight across. That's how you divide fractions. It's as simple as that.